My name is Ruby Adkins, and I'm a member of the MIT class of 2026 and an East Campus resident. Welcome to a brief tour of the planned renovations to the East Campus residence, entering from the relocated makerspace and walking towards the main entrance. Renovations of East Campus will feature a new makerspace patio outside the East Parallel to better support delivery of building materials and public display of student projects. The makerspace itself will be relocated to ground level to provide better accessibility and enhance students' ability to experiment and collaborate, allowing them to further develop their creativity and build skills outside of the classroom. Exiting the makerspace, an entrance walkway will provide easy access to and from the residential halls. A spacious, light-filled lobby will provide natural gathering and meeting space, along with new elevators that make East Campus accessible to all.